Hey guys, what's up? Good to have you guys here. Today, I'm going to be teaching you everything you need to know about TradingView. So TradingView is an app or a software we actually use to analyze the Forex market. Do you guys understand? So if you've been watching very closely, you'll discover that I've been teaching you guys this course using the TradingView app. And I'm going to be teaching you everything you need to know for you guys to analyze better and for you guys to become a professional when using TradingView app. Do you guys understand? So when you download the TradingView app, this is all you see. Do you guys understand? And the functions, you should actually have the same functions here on your PC with your mobile phone. So anything I teach you here has the same functionalities with your mobile phone, just that they have a little, they have different placing. But if you understand it right now, you should be able to understand it if you have TradingView on your phone. So when you download the TradingView app, this is actually what you see. And you have the first thing here, which is Kelvin. This is actually my profile if you want to log out or log in or do anything like that. So at this point here, you actually have GBP USD, which is actually your symbols. Do you guys understand? So in here, you can change it to Euro, USD. You can change it to any currency pair or any stocks of your choice, any fund of your choice, any futures of your choice, any crypto of your choice, any indices of your choice, any bonds, economy, options, whatever it is. If you want to like look at the chart, all you just need to do is to come here or tap this plus icon right here, and you can actually compare a symbol. The next thing we have right here is actually your time frame. I told you guys about time frames. So we actually have different time frame right here. So we have the 12 months, we have 1 minute, we have 10 minutes, we have 45 minutes, 1 hour, so on and so forth. So the reasons for all these stars right here is if you move the stars, you discover that it has changed there. And if I put the stars right here, you can see that we now have 1, 15, 30 minutes, 4 hours. So if I actually want to see the 15 minutes time frame of this pair, all I just need to do is to just tap it. I don't necessarily have to be coming down right here to change it. Do you guys understand? So I just like tap it here. Why? Because I actually favorited them. So the next thing we have right here is we have candles, we have bars, we have lines, we have step lines, we have so many different ways in which we can actually see price, but the best is actually using candles. So I feel like you leaving it at candles is actually the best, or else you want to trade another concept and another thing entirely. But if you want to trade Forex, it's best you see the price with candles. So the next thing we have is indicators. You guys understand? So there are different type of indicators right here. I taught you guys about indicators in our last class. So anything at all, moving average, you can just come here and actually search moving average. Then just when you tap it, it's going to like apply on the chart. You guys understand? So apart from indicators, we have some people putting strategies right here. Some people put it's okay if I'm to like put in A, you can see that there are different type of strategies right here. Technical analysis just for traders to actually make money. Do you guys understand? So if you tap on anyone, you will definitely see the effect on your chart. So let me do that right now so you guys can see. I'm going to tap on the RSI. So if I tap on the RSI, you guys just watch. So the RSI indicator actually comes down here. You can increase it, yes, and you can reduce it. If you want to delete it, just come here and you delete it, then the indicator is gone. So at this point in time, we have indicator template. I've never used this before, and I don't think it has any importance. So we have this is actually called the alert. So you can actually set a price point, and when market gets to that particular point, TradingView is going to give you an alert. You understand? So any notifications give you a sound so that you can know that okay, price has maybe gotten to that place, maybe it has gone down or it has gone up, anything like that. You actually use the alert tool. So we have this. It's actually called the replay tool. What the replay tool does is actually helps you to like clear the chart. So look at it right now. It has removed everything that's at the front. You can actually use it to backtest your strategy. That means if you just want to like learn, you can draw your trend lines, then you can now play it and see what price did. Let us see if your analysis was correct. Do you guys understand? You actually have this on the premium version. So if you've not paid For if you are using the free version, you won't get the replay too. So we can just remove it by pressing this exit button right here. The next thing we have is we have the undo. We have the undo and redo. What you do if you make any mistake in the market, maybe you delete maybe one of your markings or one of your joints. If you just press the undo, it will help you go back. So at this point right here, you can name what you can save and name your chart. At this point here, this is actually called, this is for your settings. And what do you do here? You can change the color of your candles and do a lot of tweaking in the settings. In this place, you can take a screenshot, and here you can publish. You can actually post your analysis for more traders to see what you've analyzed. At this point, you have what they call your watch lists. This is the currency the currency I trade. I trade GBP USD. We have XAUSD, that is gold. We have USD card, and we have Euro USD. Do you guys understand? So at this point, you can add more symbols. You can have so many symbols. Let us add USD JPY. You see that USD JPY has added here, you understand? So you can analyze right here, then you can start selecting what currency pair or what symbols you want to be trading. At this point, we have alerts, we have data window, we have object tree and data window, we have hot list, we have ideas. That is whatever you publish here, you can actually see it there, and you can see more traders analysis in this. Yeah, am I correct? Yes. No, this is actually what you post. This is actually what you post. And this is, yes, this is actually because the icon kind of look alike. So I took one for the other. So in this place, you can actually see, you can follow people here. You can see the analysis, and you can copy whatever thing that they are doing. At this point, you have your notifications. And coming to this point, we have this, your cursor. You can turn it to a cross. That's what you guys are seeing right now. You can see a cross. We have a vertical line and an horizontal line. We have a dot. Do you guys understand? You can see that it's now a dot. You have an arrow. Now it's now an arrow, but I actually like mine as a cross so that I can actually see the price on my right hand side. You understand? If it's moving. So at this point right here, we have your trend line. This is actually where you get your trend line if you want to like draw lines as your trend line. We have ray, we have info line, and so on and so forth. We have this right here. I kind of like this. If you put it like this, it actually creates two lines, as you guys can see. Do you understand? So instead of you to use what's the name, a trend line 1 and plot 2, what it's going to do is just going to give you two trend lines, and in different colors, so you can like change that. There are a lot of tools right here. You can come here and do a lot of findings for yourself. We have vertical line, sorry, horizontal line. So like this, the lines I like to put on my chart. We have vertical lines. You can actually mark, okay, market stopped there yesterday, this is what market is doing today, or something like that. Then the next thing we have, right, okay, no, let's go to the next. So we have Fibonacci retracement. I'm going to teach you guys about Fibonacci retracement. It's actually a very good strategy which I used to make money, so I'm going to like teach you. And we have different kind of strategies right here which you need to learn first before you know how to use them. So at this point, we have long position and short position. Long position means that the market wants to buy, and short position means that the market wants to sell. So let us say we have a short position like this, right? So I'll come here and put it like this. This is what I'll use to know where I'll put my stop loss, where my entry is. So let's imagine market is still at this side. So I'll come here and put my short position. I'll drag this like this. Then you can see this number that is here, which is actually telling you how many pips. So you can come here and say, okay, I want to Rex 10 pips, you guys understand, and I want the market to come all the way to this place. You can actually use this to measure how many pips the market went, or the market is going to go, or how many you are targeting. So right now we're targeting about 97 pips. This is actually very, very important. We have the buy we have the long, we have the short, we have the forecast, and so on and so forth. So we have the brush. What the brush does is it helps you to like draw anything that you want on your chart. You guys understand? It's actually like very, very useful. Then you can come, you have the eraser, you can use it to like clean all your markings. We have the arrow tool. Let's imagine you're expecting markets to come down. You can see the arrow tool is actually like very, very important. So we have the arrow tool, we have the highlight, we have the rectangle. I told you guys rectangles are like very, very important to mark your support, your resistance, your areas of value, so on and so forth. So we have a smaller arrow, we have paths. Let us say you want to know where market is going to, so we have paths like this. What those paths does, you can see, it's like an arrow, right? So like let you know where price is going, because some people don't like see very well. So you can mark the market like this. They can now see markets went like this. So this is actually what path does for you. To create a path for you and makes you like see the market very, very clearly. You guys understand? We have so many tools right here. And the next we have a text. You can actually mark a text. You can actually like put a text at this point right here. You can maybe I want to sell at this zone, I want to buy at this zone, the reason why you entered at this zone or something like that. You can just like put a text. At this point, we have stickers, smiley, we have emojis. So this is actually to measure. Let us imagine this market right now. Okay, let me try to like here. So let us imagine you want to calculate how many pips market went from year to year. So measure tool is actually very important. So from here, be able to like measure and say, oh, market went 92 pips, as you guys can see on the screen. So at this point in time, we have the zoom in to help you to like magnify anything. Let me try to like delete everything that is there. So if you want to like clear all these joins, you just tap on this on the screen. Then the next thing you see is remove joins. From here you can change your theme to maybe dark skin or light skin, but like mine as light. You understand? So if you press remove joins, everything automatically goes away. So at this point right here, we have the magnet tool. Here we have join mode if you want to draw things. At this point in time, you have lock all joins. Let us imagine you've plotted your joins already and you don't want somebody to like come there and like delete anything. You can just like log them in. At this point in time, yeah, you can hide all your joins so that somebody cannot see it. I don't know why you want to do that. And at this point we have a new okay. And what is this saying? This is actually very new. It says new join are replicated to all charts in the layout and shown when the same ticker is selected. I don't know what that is used for, and this is actually the remove button or a remove tool or to remove object. So imagine you drew a line, you can just come here to actually remove objects. So there you have it, guys. This is everything you need to know about TradingView. So let us imagine you want to move the market to the left hand side, to the right hand side. You just hold it, then you can go back and front. If you want to shrink it, look at this place that is here. You can shrink the market like this. So at this point in time, it will help you shrink the market. If you want to, now you're shrinking the market from left to right. So let's imagine you want to shrink the market from up to down. You actually go through this place. So if you are going down, you are shrinking it. If you are going up, you are actually expanding it. Same thing also here. If you are going back, you are expanding. If you are coming forward, you are shrinking. And if you want to move the market, you can move the market like this. So that is everything you need to know about TradingView. TradingView has a lot of tools, so you can figure it out yourself. I told you guys, practice is all that matters. You can learn so much, but if you don't practice, you won't know how to do anything. So there you go, guys. See you guys in the next class. I hope you guys learned something. Peace.